and welcome to the Nexus. Today we are doing our last stage of issue 14, which is stage 54, which is here. And effectively this is the last panel. We're going to be filling out the rest of this and connecting this to our saucer section. Effectively we're going to be finishing off the top of the saucer. I can't wait. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Let's get going. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the packet out here. This is all the parts that you get. So obviously a lot of escape pods. We've got some bits here. We've got some lights, some panels. But the first things that I really want to get hold of is this. So we're going to grab our warp nacelle that we started to do, and we're going to do this bit first. And we're also going to need the lower frame because we're going to be placing that on as well. So first things first, we're going to make sure that is on and the light is actually connected into it, like so. And that is going to go on like so. We do need this little sort of cutout section here, so that's going to sit like that without this bit there, making sure that's out of the way. So that is going to sit like that. Now this connector is going to sit, we're going to push it actually through here, and then this is going to sit on top. So we've just got to make sure we manoeuvre a bit and the light has come out again. What I might do actually is dab a bit of glue on that because that keeps coming out. So I've got a bit of glue here just on the end so it stays in. And we're just going to sort of clip this down, and then we're going to use CP screws to secure it down, also making sure that we poke this light up here as well. So this one's going to sit here. I've got to poke that up. So I'm going to poke that one up, do it down, then secure it down with CP screws all the way along, and then we'll have a little look at the end result.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we got there in the end. So we've put the frame in, we've clicked that. A little bit of, just make sure it clicks when you squeeze this section together, so we don't have any gaps around that. It did take me a little bit of time to figure it out. We've got to keep that wire out there. I think the battery pack and goes at the back here, but I'm wondering if there's an extension cable for it. Must be at some point because that is all I've got on that. Yeah, so that's coming along really nicely now. So at least we've done the front. The front is now complete on the warp nacelle. So now what we need to do is just put our glue away. Put this to a side because we are now going to be concentrating on this section. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this up, so that's like that, because we need this out of the way slightly. So I should put that there. Obviously first off we're going to be putting in all the escape pod hatches, which are going to run obviously all the way along here, and then we're going to put in our windows just there. Okay, so as you can see we've done that. We need to grab one of our bits of tape here, and we're going to tape the 3 top ones just here. I don't really know why, but we are. We're then going to take this panel here, we're going to stick that on there, we're going to put our wire in as well. So actually, let's put the wire in first. There we go. Lovely. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to use an AM screw. AM screw is going to go into that top section just here. I'm just going to hold this up like this. Like that. Then we're going to use some DM screws. All 3 of them. Like that. And on there. Like that. And then one. Oh, right, hang on. I've got a window that's just popped out at the bottom here. Ah, yeah, okay. So it should. I should have picked it up. Okay. So I'm going to position this. In, like so. It's weird that that's like that one now. Okay, so this one here. And that is secured in. So there we go. So that's that side done. So all we're going to do is copy what we've done this side onto this side. So just copy what I've just done. Look for the opposite side. And then we'll have a look. And there we go. Now all we've got to do is install this into the saucer section. So I'm just going to grab that. Here we are. Let's turn this around like so, and now we're going to be putting this wire here through this section, just there, and these 2 wires through that bit. And then we've got oh no, hang on, we've put it through the wrong bit. So through this bit here. I thought it was further up. Okay, so through this bit here. Okay, so we've done that. So now all we've got to do is slide this panel up, and this one as well. So that goes in. Flipping it over. And we're going to secure it down with FM screws. There's a lot of here to go on, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, and that is done. I've checked the lights, they all work, so look at that. Okay, so that's my head. This thing's a beast. And yeah, so we've effectively completed the top here, because we do have the bridge and the shuttle bay, which obviously go on those holes there, and then all the work is all under here next. So we're going to start really building it up, but I'm really impressed with that. I mean, you see the photos of people that have finished, and you see the photos of it being built, but it really doesn't. It doesn't do it justice, and just how big this thing actually is. It's just so enormous. And yeah, I think you would, if you're a Star Trek fan and you've ummed and ahed about this, just the sheer size of this is probably going to do it for you. It's just so cool. Also as well, obviously, we're now starting to finish off and complete the warp nacelle just here. So we've now got the bit under here. So I reckon over the next couple of stages, we're probably going to finish off our first warp nacelle. And the top as well, I would imagine, on this, and start working on the other bits, because we've still got the star drive section to do as well. But anyway, that is it from us here at the next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click like and subscribe, and we will see you at our next video. So take it easy, and we'll see you then.